So the check is here. Do you want to split it 50-50?
Wait, what?
Yeah, 50-50. That's fair, right?
Fair? This is our first date.
I don't see the problem. We both ate.
That's not the point.
Then what is the point?
On a first date, the man usually pays.
Says who? It's 2026. Things are different now.
Different doesn't mean cheap.
Cheap? I'm just being practical.
Practical on a first date?
I thought splitting showed equality.
No, it shows you don't know how to treat a woman.
Wow, that's harsh.
What's harsh is inviting me out and then pulling out a calculator.
I didn't invite you to get free food.
And I didn't come here to feel unvalued.
You're making a big deal out of nothing.
No, I'm realizing something important.
And what's that?
That we're not on the same page. At all.
You're seriously ending this over a bill?
I'm ending this because you don't get it.
Get what?
How to treat a woman you're trying to impress.
So that's it.
Yeah, this is it.
Unbelievable.
Trust me, you just saved me a lot of time.